Hey Kevin, is there a way to make my life suck less?
Nope. Suck more. Hey everybody, what's up and welcome to this episode of Good Tech Cheap. I am your host Kevin. Welcome to this video, and if you like this video, and I hope you like this video, please give this video a like. Also subscribe, there's a button for that, and while you're doing that, turn on that notification bell so you know when we drop more episodes of Good Tech Cheap. So I think my friend Adron there misunderstood a little bit. I want his life to suck more. In fact, I want all of your lives to suck more. There's a reason behind that. It has to do with cleaning your place, which I've just done for this video for the first time in a month. Yeah, I've sort of been hanging out by myself in my room. Not great, but you know what? Never mind. Today we're going to be talking about a vacuum that is as good as a famous brand that rhymes with Myson, that has extra battery power, very similar features, and works really, really well. It is called the Redkey F10 Foldable Vacuum Cleaner. This is a stick vacuum. It is super lightweight. It is super flexible to get under places, under beds and under chairs and under sofas and places where dust and all kinds of stuff that you don't like accumulate. It will suck up that stuff. It will make your life suck more. Get it? It's a joke. It's a vacuum. Okay, moving on. This vacuum actually has a dust refracting lamp built into the front of it that will aid in its sucking and its cleaning. It's good for dust and pet hair. It works on hardwood floors and tile and carpeting. It has an automatic mode, or if you choose, you can choose your level of suck and watch that level on an LED screen on the vacuum. You'll see how powerful the suck is, and you'll also see how much the suck is sucking up. Dual LED screens will show you both these things at the same time. Your Redkey vacuum has triple filtration. That's right, 3 times the filtration. You're gonna get a steel filter that's built in, plus a HEPA filter at the bottom and a HEPA filter at the top. That is a lot of filtration that's gonna take care of a lot of stuff that accumulates in your house. And if you can keep a secret, I know from experience because I just used the vacuum, and you'll see, you will see. What's also really neat is that you got one button dumping. That's right. Let me say that again. One button dumping. All you have to do is twist where the dust is collected, where all that stuff the vacuum sucks up. Turn, it comes undone, and you can dump. And we have video evidence of that as well, and how easy it is and how satisfying it is to see how much cleaner your space is. Another really neat feature of your Redkey F10 vacuum is its battery life. I was mentioning before, and I'll mention it again because it is worth mentioning more than once. A lot of leading brands that are very similar, that rhyme with Ryson or so, have a battery life of about 30 to 35 minutes. Well, not here. With your Redkey F10 vacuum, we're talking a full 60 minutes of cleaning power on the regular mode. And you know what? The regular mode is more than enough of a mode to clean all the things I've already mentioned, hardwood and tile and carpet of various lengths. And if you really need to do that deep clean, there are 5 modes to choose from, and I've demonstrated that as well. We'll take a look at that in a moment to really ramp up that suck power. What we've determined here is that in a 60-minute runtime with the battery on regular, that is enough to clean 600 square feet, and that is pretty much the size of your larger 2-bedroom apartments. That is not bad at all. Another neat feature of your Redkey vacuum is that those 5 levels, well, that's actually 2 more levels of suction power than most other vacuums provide. Very versatile machine that you can use for everyday cleaning and deep cleaning. All right, so I haven't vacuumed in a while. I'm glad I have this because using it in the demonstration for this video was very useful for me in real life. What do you know? If you click on the link in the description below, you'll find that the normal price is $189 if you wish to buy one for yourself. But right now there is a special promotion. $170 will get you this comparable vacuum to something that rhymes with Lyson. And having used it and seeing its power and being able to show everyone out there how easily it was to operate, how easily it was to actually dump what you've sucked up, and how well it works, I do believe that is a good tech cheap deal for sure. You know what I like? When technology makes your life easier. This vacuum, the F10, actually has a button where you can adjust the flexibility of the main stem right here, so you can reach places you would normally have to bend your knees and strain your back and just not good things. Look at that. Look at that. So, let's turn it on. You know what? I'm gonna go for maximum suck, because I know that's what everybody out there wants. That was easy. Well, that just about wraps it up for today. I would like to thank Redkey for sponsoring this video and sending us this vacuum so we could demonstrate it and share it with all of you. Once again, there's a link in the description below if you wish to buy one. Special price right now, $170. That is a really good deal. And speaking of liking these really good deals, if you like these videos, please give it a like. Always like it when you do that. Please subscribe if you have not already done so. It would suck less in that meaning of the word if you did. And there is that notification bell to watch more Good Tech Cheap videos. I don't know who I'm looking for. There's no one here. I think I offended Adron, so he left. Oh well. From North Hollywood, California, I've been your host, Kevin. Thank you very much for watching. We'll see you next time. Be kind to each other. Stay safe. Bye for now.